In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a latch plate stopper. The reason for installing a latch plate stopper is that it will avoid the latch plate from falling down further from the seat belt itself. And because what's happening is whenever the front passenger unbuckles the seat belt, the latch plate tends to get stuck in between the pillar of the car and the seat. So I will install a latch plate stopper so that it will hold the latch plate by this position here. So let's get started. So the latch plate stopper that I wanted to install is this one here. So basically what you need are these latch plate stoppers. I bought this online. You need a hand drill and a 2.5 millimeter drill bit. So the reason for this is you have to make a hole on the seat belt, and which after that you can put this stopper there. So I'll show you. So at the moment the latch plate stopper is positioned in this part of the seat belt, in which the latch plate actually goes in that position. Now I'm going to install the stopper in this position in here, so that when the seat belt is released, the latch plate will the stopper will hold the latch plate in this position in here, and so that the latch plate won't get stuck in between the column of the car and the seat. So the stopper itself has two parts. This one, so the one that has a pin and the one that has a hole in it. So the reason why we are making a hole in the seat belt is so that this can go through the belt, and when it goes through, you can just basically put this on the other side of the belt. So first you have to locate the position of the stopper. So more or less the location of the stopper should be there, this portion here. So once you've set the location of the stopper with your drill bit, with your drill and with your 2.5 mil drill bit, drill a hole on the seat belt. So make the hole a bit bigger by moving the drill bit back and forth, up and down. There. So after making a hole on the seat belt, you put the part of the stopper with a pointed pin into the seat belt first, like so. Then once you put this part with a pointed pin, all you have to do is to put the other stopper, part of the stopper, and put it inside the pin. So it basically installs like this. So now that we have installed the new stopper, you will see that the latch plate is now in this new position here. It doesn't get in the way of the side column in the car seat of the car. So you will see that when the seat belt is released, it doesn't get stuck in between the column in the car seat. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Till next video. Bye.